Hello Africa, welcome to this Xpesa tutorial where we shall cover the basic operations of this platform. First of all, Xpesa is the first online peer-to-peer platform for sending and receiving money in Africa. So let's proceed. Xpesa has two main platforms for access. One can access the app via the Google Play Store. Applications are called Xpesa, or one can use the web portal to access the same services. So for sign up, make sure that you indicate your name clearly, because this is how everyone on the platform all over the continent is going to be viewing you as. So make sure your name reflects exactly who you are. Make sure you put your phone number, choose the correct extension for your country and for your phone number. Indicate your email address, because that's how Xpesa is going to be communicating to you. Make sure to select your country that you want to be based, and then choose a secure password, and then also indicate a referral code. That is, if someone referred you to Xpesa, so they can also benefit from Xpesa referral code. And automatically you sign up will be approved if everything is okay. For login, enter the full phone number with the extension, enter the set password that you chose for yourself, and then just click login and you're in. The borrow float module is a form where Xpesa gives its users a starting point. It's a form of the loan that is 0% interest loan, and users can get to pay back using the commissions they earn from Xpesa. Yes, as the user transacts using Xpesa, they earn commission along the way. So it's from that commission that they repay this loan. And every user has a particular set limit of amount of money they can borrow. So the system dictates how much the limit they can borrow, and they only have to borrow within their limits and pay back from their commissions. Yes. With the send money module, Xpesa supports two modules of sending money. One is sending to a registered user. The other is sending money to a non-registered user. This is a user who's on the Xpesa platform. So all you need for sending money to a registered user is the phone number. Enter the phone number, the full phone number with their code, country code, and click search. Their names will pop up automatically. Enter the amount of money you want to send to them. You can enter your reason for sending the money, enter your PIN, and send. That's it. Sending money to an unregistered user. This is a user or is not registered on Xpesa. All you have to do is enter their full phone number with their country code, enter the amount of money you want to send to them, enter your PIN code, click to generate your secret code. This code is what the user is going to be using to withdraw the money you're sending them on their end. Yes, and then just click send, and that's it. Remember, every Xpesa user is a potential agent, hence the peer-to-peer network. So in the process of depositing money, all you have to do as a user is to find another Xpesa user who's on the platform and has float on their account. In this case, you'll have to give them the cash you want to deposit on your account. And on their end, they will do the following. They will enter your phone number. They will search for your name. They'll enter the amount of money you want to deposit and then enter their password. And then click deposit. Yes, so the amount of money, the float will move from their end, from their account to your account in exchange for the cash you have given them. So the deposit of money requires a minimum of 2 Xpesa users. To withdraw money, withdrawing money is broken down into two steps. One, as a user, you have to initiate to withdraw the money. Number 2, you have to find an agent or another user to complete the withdrawal process. So to begin with, when you click initiate, you would have to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw, enter your PIN code, get a secret code. Now, that secret code is what you're going to give the agent in order to complete your withdrawal process. Now, in order to complete the withdrawal process, you will need the help of another Xpesa agent to complete the transaction. Now, on the side of the other Xpesa agent, what they will do, they will enter your phone number. You, who wants to withdraw the money, be such, your name will pop up and the amount of money you want to withdraw. And then you'll have to give them the secret code that you generated when you are initiating the withdrawal. Then the agent will enter their password and then withdraw the money. Now, what this does is it will send float to their account, and then they will have to give you physical cash as the form of withdrawal. The same applies to withdraw full of money for a non-registered user. In this case, they will have to present their phone number to the withdrawal agent. The agent will then search based on the phone number, which will return the amount of money they are supposed to withdraw. And then the non-registered user would have to present the secret code with which they sent the money with. And then the agent will enter the password and complete the withdrawal. So what this does is it transfers float from descending party to the agent, and then the agent and finally present cash to the person who is trying to withdraw the money. Pay bill is used to make pay bills online. If a user has a pay bill number, they can enter it in the pay bill number. Such, it will populate the actual owner of the bill number. You can enter the amount, enter the reason for the payment, enter your PIN code, and then proceed to pay. Yes, so any business can apply for a pay bill number, and they can get one to enable them accept payments online. A user can easily check their balance by entering their PIN code and then click check balance, and the amount would populate in the available balance. The same applies to check commission. So the user can always check the amount of commission they have accumulated via the transactions they are doing by simply entering their password and click check commission. Statement view. A user can always get their statement by entering their password and click get statement. this returns the last 10 transactions done by the user. Since Xpesa facilitates the transfer of money across different countries, we do realize that all these transactions would be affected by the forex rate in those particular countries. And that's why we have a module called Forex Update that allows you to view and understand the status of the forex rate. The transaction charges module simply allows you to view the different charges that will cost you in different transactions. For example, if you're sending money to a registered user, sending money to an unregistered user, when you're trying to withdraw your money, or when you're trying to pay for services, all these transactions cost different charges. So you can view the transaction charges here in this module. Remember, with Xpesa, you are always earning commission, either through deposits or withdrawals. Yeah, so you can see the different transaction commission charges or the amount of money you earn as commission from these different operations. Since Xpesa is a peer-to-peer network, it means that every Xpesa user have a potential of being an Xpesa agent. We don't have dedicated agents out there, but every Xpesa user can transact as an agent. Hence, the commissions. When you transact as an agent with Xpesa, whether you perform deposits or withdrawals for other Xpesa users, you get to earn commission on your account, which your commission you can use to repay the loan and also withdraw at some point to use for other personal needs. Xpesa users can share their referral codes with their friends when they are referring them to sign up for the platform. And if your referral code is used during the sign up, you earn a different type of commission on every sign up. Yeah, so in this referral code module, you can get to view your code, your referral code, and you can share it with anyone or your friends. Just in case they are signing up, you can use your referral code and you can earn that extra money. In case a user forgets their password, don't fret. You can always enter your phone number there and then click reset. When you click reset, the instructions to reset your password are sent to your email, and you can follow instructions there. And with that simple tutorial, I thank you for choosing Xpesa as your money transfer platform, and I wish you best of luck. Let's continue to inspire Africa. Thank you.